glycol. Pinnacle or glycol. Now pinnacle or glycol in presence of acid. Pinnacle or glycol in presence of acid, particularly dilute acid. Concentrated acid means elimination. Dilute H2SO4. In this case, what happened? Water is removed. Water is removed, and one of the R group undergoes migration. Two conditions: dehydration and migration. Removal of water, migration. Then you will get here R, here CO. This is a CO. Now here R. Again here R group migrated here na, here migrating. Like this is converted to ketone. This ketone is called as a pinacolone. Glycol is converted to pinacolone. Now how the glycol is converted to pinacolone? How the rearrangement is there? What is the importance of rearrangement here? We'll check. Importance of rearrangement. So very important mechanism you check here. Pinnacle, pinacolone rearrangement mechanism very important. Okay now. First I am taking again R group here. R, next one, any R you can take. Aliphatic or aromatic, anything is important, Nana. Like this here, OH. Mechanism is very important, carefully observe. Now I am taking acid medium means H plus ion. Tell me. Here every oxygen having 2-2 lone pair. Every oxygen having 2-2 lone pair. Now here H plus ion electron deficient. Lewis acid. Lone pair Lewis base. Lone pair donated to H plus. That's why here immediate H plus ion attacks. Now the product is R. Like this R group. Here OH. Next one here Nana. OH2 plus. But you know here oxygen is a more electronegative atom. More electronegative atom. On more electronegative atom, positive charge highly unstable. That's why immediately what happened? Here removal of water. Here removal of water. Removal of water. Okay na? Here water removed. Whenever water removed, we will get carbocation. This is an important step. Here formation of carbocation is very important. Carbocation intermediate. Carbocation. Okay na? But you know around carbocation how many electrons are there? 6. That is electron deficient center. But here to get stability, R group migrated here. Here driving force is the stability factor. Driving force is the stability of this carbocation. After shifting of R, you will get stable. Stability is the driving force ikkada. Stability is the driving force for migration of R group. Now, which one migrated here? Which one migrated here? Electron rich one. Electron rich one migrated. Out of two groups, two R's are there. More electron rich one. Why? Here that is migrating towards electron deficient. Migrating towards electron deficient. That's why here this should electron rich one. First important cation formation. Second step migration of electron important. Okay na? R group migrated here. Then what is there here? This R. C group here, what is there? OH, here plate charge. Now here R, here R, here R. This is the driving stability factor. Why? Why this is stable? Remember, Here antiomeric effect is there. Here adjacent lone pairs are there. This lone pair involves in donation antiomeric effect. Antiomeric effect. Okay, now that's why this is more stable than this. Here this is more stable carbocation than first one. That's why rearrangement is there. We are getting more stable, then rearrangement is there. Okay, now after this lone pair donated here, antiomeric effect, resonance, we can say mesomeric effect. Here whenever lone pair donated here, pledge charge. Here then what is their answer here? R group, here R, like this. But immediately what happened here? Whatever H plus is there, that H plus means in the form of OH plus. H plus releases here to get neutral stability, then product is ketone. This is the perfect mechanism, how perfect mechanism ketone forms. This ketone is called as a pinacolone. The formation of pinacolone with rearrangement. You see, R group undergoes rearrangement. R group undergoes rearrangement. Electron rich one migrated. Remember, electron rich one migrated. That is important. Okay. The driving force is the stability factor. This is already old IIT question. Stability, order of this cation. This is more stable than this. This cation is more stable than this. Remember, here deficient only, but adjacent is a lone pair. We can say neighboring group participation, antiomeric effect. Due to antiomeric effect here, carbon acquires stability like this. Carbon acquires stability. Okay. What are the important steps here? Here important step. First we are taking what? Glycol system. Second here, formation of carbocation. This is important. Third one, migration. The migration. Okay, na? Based on this one, we will explain intramolecular, intermolecular migration. Okay, na? Formation of ketone. So these are the four important steps: glycol to intermediate, then migration, then ketone. So these are very important. Okay, that is the pinacolone rearrangement. Now, మనం among migration, which is migrated first? Electron rich one migrated. Electron rich one migrated. Electron rich group migrated. Okay, na? For example, you are taking here hydrogen, R group and pH. Hydrogen, R group and pH. Okay, na? So here more important here pH than hydrogen than R. Sometime they will write depends upon group here. Sometime H is migrated than pH, but more important this is pH group migrated than H than R. Among R, tertiary alkyl group, then secondary alkyl group, then primary alkyl group. Among alkyl group, tertiary, secondary, primary, this is a migrate order. In aryl system, sometime here donors are present. Donors are there, the migration order more than normal phenyl system. Normal phenyl system is more than withdrawing. Here electron donors are there. That is migrated than normal. Whenever withdrawing groups are there, migrate orderless. So aryl, hydrogen and alkyl, remember this is a migration order. Here first important carbocation formation, then migration among two. Here this is one group, here one group. Which one migrated? This migration depends on migration order. So that depends on electron rich. More electron one, electron denser one migrate first. Among alkyl group, tertiary, secondary, primary, if aryl groups are arranged like this. This is the systematic mechanism of pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. Okay na? Pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. Now I will take example, then we'll get idea answer. CH3. Everyone should write neatly. Here CH3. Here CH3. Here what? CH3. Here OH. Now here OH. This is pinacol, glycol. You know glycol. Example here, what we are taking here, dilute H2SO4. What happened here? First water removal, one of the group. Here all you see, this one here, all four groups are same. That's why anyone migrated, just I am writing removal of water, and this is the shifted. Then our answer here what? CH3, CO. Then here what is our answer? CH3. Now CH3, CH3. This is your answer. This is pinacol, this is pinacalone. Next example here, CH3. Now here CH3, here pH, here pH. Now OH, here OH, nana. Okay na? CH3, CH3, pH. Then tell me which group migrated? Answer. Which group migrated? Send చేయండి నాకు చూద్దాం. Which group migrated? We'll check. Answer. Send. pH migrated. Varsha to all pH migrated. Venkatesh pH migrated. Shravyasri pH migrated. Gayatri pH. Bharat pH. Tell me answer. Mahesh pH. Sriraj pH. Ruchita pH. Roshan pH. Madhumita pH. Rajita pH. Anjali pH. L Anjali, not G Anjali. Kirtana pH. Shri, what about Shirisha? What about Maniteja pH? Tell me here immediately. Divya pH. Divya or Divyasri? Manicharan. What about Sri Charan? Vedamsh pH. Sai Navin pH. Kaushik, what about your answer? Tarun Tej, what about your answer? Shwaraj, what about your Harika? Satvika pH. So all are giving pH. Very good. Answer is wrong answer. That's why mechanism is very important. I told you very clearly. Mechanism. Sujita. Okay, answer. But you, whatever you are saying, that is answer wrong, Nana. Why? First you check. I told you very clearly. Formation of carbocation important. I told you. Formation of carbocation important, Nana. First both side I will cleave. This side and both. Check. First I am removing this one cleavage. First I am forming carbocation. Then only migration. First important formation of carbocation important. After that migration. This is the cation. If here is the CH3, here is the place. Now here OH, here OH. Nana, tell me which carbocation stable? This is tertiary benzyl. pH ring adjacent carbon is benzyl, Nana. Benzene ring is there like this. Here this carbon is called as benzylic carbon. Whenever this plus is there, highly stable. Benzylic carbon is highly stable than normal carbon. This benzylic is more stable than normal cation. Okay, na? You know already I have given very clearly. Okay. Tertiary cations are more stable than secondary than primary. But this is tertiary, here tertiary. Both are tertiary, but this is benzyl. Benzyl is resonance stable. You know, benzyl is resonance stable. Resonance. C plus is there, double bond. Plus and pi bond separated by sigma. The system is called as conjugated resonance system. Resonance is there, highly stable. So these electrons are migrated here. Like this, a plus charge will get stability. Here CH2 double bond plus double bond. This is Nana. In this case, resonance is not there, but here resonance is there. That's why this is what here? More stable. Means don't go through this. Via more stable intermediate only we are writing reaction. Reaction via more stable. That is very important. Possibilities many, but all are not correct. Reaction via more stable carbocation is important. Reaction via more stable carbocation important. That is important here. Now you check. Second step is migration. I have given very clear. First is formation of carbocation. Then is migration. First is formation of carbocation. Then migration. You think first important cation, na? So this is important. This is benzyl. This is, don't go through this. Now tell me answer. Among these two competition, not here. These are migrating. Adjacent is migrating. Not plus carbon pH. Adjacent way. OH containing carbon. This is migrating. Now you check competition among these two. Competition among these two. But most of the students, they will write directly, they will think pH migration. Our answer is correct. No, that is not correct way. That's why you have to know the complete mechanism, perfect mechanism. Okay, otherwise the answer will get wrong. Now tell me, both are same, anyone you can migrate. Methyl, I am writing shifting. Methyl, I am writing shift. Then answer, your answer here CH3, then you know plus, here OH. Now you see here pH, here CH3. None. Both I am writing. Two carbocations I am writing both. But one is more stable, other one I am going through more stable. That's very important. Next one, you know, here oxygen having lone pair. The lone pairs are donated here. Antiomeric effect, neighboring group participation. Then our answer here CH3C, double bond OH plus. Now here what is pH? pH here CH3. Okay, now you know release of H plus here. Then you will get a keto group. This is our answer. Okay, don't think first pH is shifted. First you think the cation, then shifting you think. Which one shifted here? CH3 shifted, not pH. Okay, now you got answer. So remember, mechanism is very important. That's why every time I'm telling mechanism. That is the importance of mechanism. Okay, so anybody unable to understand, you can ask, no problem. You know carbocation stability. Okay. Next example I am taking. Next example. Now here pH, here H, here CH3 nana. Here OH group is there. Here OH group is there. Now tell me, both I will shift. Both side I will write carbocation. First one here I am shifting both carbocation. First here pH, here H, here I am writing carbocation, removal of water. Again here what OH. Now then here what is there here? H here, CH3, here OH is there. If this is a second, this is first. This is 1, here 2. Okay. Now tell me answer. Here pH, here H, here OH, here plus, here CH3H. Tell me, Nana, which one more stable? First or second? This is a secondary carbon. You see, this side, secondary carbon, secondary benzyl cation, that is. Now this is a normal secondary cation. Out of these two, which is more stable, Ra? Which is more stable? Benzyl is more. pH attacked carbon is benzyl. pH means like this. This is the benzyl system. pH means this is the pH resonance system. Okay, na resonance system. Then our answer. This is not correct. The wrong way. Don't go through this. After this, which one shifted here? HR methyl. Competition between methyl and H only. Don't think pH. HCH3, which is migrated? H is migrated. Therefore, our answer pH here, H here, H. Directly I am writing COH plus here CH3. This is correct one. After that, you know, release of H plus. Our answer here pH. Now CH2, COCH3. This is our answer. So migration factors are very important. Migration factors are very important. Next example, pH, here CH3, here H, here CH3. I'm taking different examples, all are not same. Different substitution I'm keeping here. Different substitution I'm keeping here. Answer, tell me again here H plus. 2 I'm taking here 1, here 2, 2OH. First one OH and second both I will release. First one. Okay. Now first OH releases means OH here CH3. Then what is our answer here? H group here CH3. Now here OH here is the plus. Okay, na? Here is the plus. Next case 2. Now here pH, here CH3. Now here is the OH. Next here H, here CH3, here plus. What happened here? This is tertiary benzyl. Tertiary benzyl cation. This is normal secondary carbocation. Which is more stable, Nana? Tertiary benzyl is more stable. Okay, na? This is less stable. Through which carbocation will move? The reaction via more stable carbocation important. Reaction via more stable carbocation important, Nana. That's why answer. This is no. Don't go through this. Less stable here only will go through this. Now which one shifted, Nana? Hydrogen or methyl? Which one shifted here? Hydrogen is more important. The migration of hydrogen is more. Your hydrogen order is more than CH3. That's why hydrogen migrated. Then our answer here pH. Next here CH3, here H. Next answer here C, double bond OH plus. Now here CH3. Okay, na? Next answer, what is our answer? Here release of H plus. Then our answer pH, CH here CH3. Now CO. Then what is our answer, Nana? CH3. This is correct answer. Okay. So here first important cation, then migration. Always think about first cation, then followed by migration. Don't think first a migration. Not first migration. Cation formation important. Okay. Now next example. Here benzene ring. CH3. Okay, this is also Pinnacle, Amma. Cheppandi Nana Bangaram. Tell me answer. Which one migrated? Now tell me. Which one migrated? This is one voyage, here second voyage. Which voyage cleavage? Answer. Which voyage cleavage? Tolin is migrating, Mahesh. Tolin is migrating. Tell me answer, yaar. Tolin is migrating. Someone is giving Tolin. Tolin sir, Satvika. Tolile group. PH is migrated. Shanmukh. Phenyl group migrated. So controversial answer. One is saying tolile group, one is saying phenyl. Some are silent, mean they are in ambiguity. Arey, what is the question meaning? Which one migrated? Which one migrated? And which voyage cleavage? One voyage or second voyage? Migration, which one migrated? Suzik, you are not hearing the class. Again, you are asking question. Biased, you are somewhere. You are thinking somewhere. Very important question. Many times passage question you check. Number of times more than one option. Right. Okay, na? Okay, no problem. Now come to our answer. Most of the students are silent, means which one is correct? Okay, good. Right. Now tell me, both I will cut. Two cations I am taking. Okay, na? So here pH ring, here tolile ring, Now see here para-nitrophenyl group, here here phenyl group. Here I am taking one voyage, first voyage. This is one cation. Second voyage I am taking. Both I am writing. Okay. Now here answer. Here this side, second one I am cleaving. Now tell me, here you see, here PHNO2 withdrawing group. Here what is there here? This is benzylic carbon. CH3 is more stable than normal benzyl. Normal benzyl is more stable than withdrawing group. NO2 is what? Withdrawing. This is a donor. This is withdrawing. Donors are their stability of benzyl is more stable, Nana. Tolile group is more stable than para-nitrophenyl. This is more stable. Means this first one is a okay. Second one. Reason this is a less stable when compared with first. This is a more stable. Okay, na? Understood? Then tell me answer. Here first. Now then shifting. Migration. Which one migrated first? This is normal here withdrawing group. Migration. Here phenyl is more migrating than para-nitro. Competition in between these two. Competition in between these two, that's all. Only para-nitrophenyl, phenyl migration. Don't think about this. Sorry. Okay, na? So among the here, this is over. Migration in between these two. Right? Here phenyl migrator, para-nitro, phenyl migration, pH migration, Nana. pH migration, pH. So then our answer C. There what is there here? CH3. This is what? pH. Then here double bond OH plus, here para nitro group nana. Okay, this is very important question. Okay, now you know further reaction, removal of H plus, removal of H plus. Then here toluene group, here phenyl group, here C double bond O. This is your answer. First you think about cation, then shifting. Remember, first carbocation stability, then migration. NO2 is withdrawing, CH3 donor. Donor is there, stability more, nana. Donor is there, stability more. Withdrawing is there, stability less. NO2, you know, powerful withdrawing group. Powerful, minus Me and minus IE. Okay, na? That's why less stable here. This is most stable, remember. So next example I am taking. Okay, na? First I am taking ketone. Here, magnesium amalgam by hydrolysis, or sodium xylene by hydrolysis. Nana emaidannam 2 ketones మధ్యలో ఏమని చెప్పాను 2 moles. First you will get like this coupling first. In between two coupling, here OH, here OH. This is what glycol. Like this glycol is formed. Remember, passage question. Passage very important. Okay. So remember, now this is a rearrangement. Then tell me answer. Answer. Here any both are same. Any one. First I am taking here this OH cleavage. Okay, na? So here is the plus, here is the OH. Now which one migrated, nana? Migrated group. Here this one migration possibility. This one migration, both. Why? Because OH containing R group migration, na? See, this OH containing migration, na? OH containing migration. So same here also this OH. In this case, what happened? Ring opening. Here bond cleavage. Ring opening. Ring opening. Ring opening. Okay, na? Tell me answer. Whenever ring open, again here is the place. This ring comes where? Like this bond. Okay, here new connection. This becomes 6-membered ring. Here attack, na? Here attack. 5-membered ring. Here this is. Here new attack. Here OH left. This OH. This is the OH. Why this attacks here? You see this spiral carbon attacks here. This one next. Now here is the plus. Okay, this is called as spiro compound. Whenever two rings are having common carbon, spiro. After that, what is our answer? Here pair of electron. You know this electron antiomeric effect. Antiomeric effect, nana. Then our answer. Here 5 carbon spiro double bond OH plus. Many times entrance question, whether IIT or JEE Mains or NEET, for all entrance point of view, this is very important question. Pinnacle, pinnacolone rearrangement. Pinnacle, pinnacolone. Okay, na? This is your answer. This is your answer. Carefully observe. Anybody is unable to write, I will send through YouTube. Krishnaya chemistry classes. IIT JEE NEET ఉంటుంది. YouTube Krishnaya chemistry IIT JEE NEET క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ యూట్యూబ్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకోండి. ఈవినింగ్ నేను అప్లోడ్ చేస్తా దీన్ని. నిన్న నేను HAO4 ని రిడక్షన్ అవి కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేశాను. ఒకవేళ ఎవరైనా రాసుకోలేకపోతే అవి చూసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? యూట్యూబ్ లో కూడా అవైలబుల్. దట్ ఈస్ I will upload. This is also evening I will upload. Okay. Next example. So this is also Pinnacle Nana. Chepandi, this Pinnacle. Sorry, the big question. Student, this already old IIT question. This already old IIT question. Remember, వస్తాయని అనుకోవద్దు. మీరు చూస్తారు, మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. Okay, now tell me answer this one. For this answer, first both I will write carbocation. This is 1 year 2, year 1, year 2, 1 OH. Here is the plus. This is the plus here OH. Now tell me, Nana, which is more stable? Here carbocation is tertiary. Here also tertiary. But this is a tertiary benzyl. pH benzyl. Normal tertiary. That's why this is a less stable. Benzyl is more stable. Very important step is formation of cation only. So don't go through this. Now through this. Then out of these two, ఇక్కడ 2 phenyl ఉంది ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రింగే, ఇప్పుడు ఈ OH ఉన్న కార్బన్, these two only involves in migration. Ring opens like this. Okay, this open here attack. 5-member ring becomes 6-member here. pH and pH. Okay na? Now here what is there here? OH, here is the plus. Okay, ఇది అటాక్ అయిపోయి ఏమైతే నాన్న ఇక్కడ న్యూ బాండ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఇయర్ 6-member రింగ్ కట్ అవుతుంది, క్లియర్ గా కట్ అయిపోయి 6-member. ఈ చూడండి ఇక్కడ అడ్జసెంట్ కార్బన్, దీనికి 2 pH ఆర్ దేర్, బట్ ఎట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్ OH. ఫర్ అడ్జసెంట్ కార్బన్ 2 pH, నానా 2 pH, but here OH, here plus. You know, further step very simple. The antiomeric effect. Now lone pair donated, neighboring group participation, antiomeric effect is there. Then our answer pH here, pH, then double bond OH plus. Next answer, Nana, removal of H plus. Next here what is there here? pH, here also pH, here double bond O. Very clear. This is your answer. Mari, shall I give homework? Rastara. Okay, homework. pH here, pH. CH3 here, pH, here OH, here OH. So then what is your answer? Tomorrow some more example I will explain. Tomorrow some more example I will explain. Okay, na? For this you write and send answer. If any problem is there, you can, this number is there in group, that number is there now, you can ask this, for this number you send. Already you are having group, for that group you send your number. Okay, so today we'll stop. Next class is a maths, second year maths class. Okay, now students.